Google, make a fart sound.
This is a fart.
Alexa, make a fart sound.
Okay, here's Big Fart. That was a long and squeaky one. Try asking me for an angry fart. Or say random.
Angry fart.
Here comes an angry fart. Shall I play another fart sound?
Yes.
That was a cheek wobbling one. Shall I fart again?
Yes.
That was an engine starting one. Try asking me for a squeaky balloon fart. Or say random.
Random.
That was a very squelchy one. Do you want me to fart?
Yes.
That was a bath one. Ask me how to unlock more farts. Or just say random.
Random.
That was a creamy one. Try saying, Alexa, play Mr. Farts. Or say random.
Random.
That was a ketchup one. Try asking me for a hard fart. Or say random.
Hard fart.
Here comes a pushing hard fart. Try asking me for a silent fart. Or say random.
Silent fart.
Here comes a silent fart. Try asking me for a silent fart. Or say random.
Okay, that's enough.
That was a smelly one. Try asking me about your friend's farts. Just ask what type of farts does your friend's name do. Or just say random.
I said that's enough.
That was a difficult one. Try asking me for an animal fart. Or just say random.
That's enough. It's smelly.
That was a relaxed one. Try asking me for a very squelchy fart.
Come
Or say
on,
random.
shut up.